Good morning all of you. Good morning KG, all the KG students. Good morning. First I want to see your faces who are in this, who has joined the class. Yes, this is growing 6 already and others also. Yes, already joined Nandini, Ankita. Yes, Orgho Mondol. Yes, now 9 students. Come on, join the class. Okay, so today we will learn again a new chapter. Last 2 days we have learned before number, after number, and today as usual this between number. Okay, so today we will learn between number, and I hope that you are practicing at your home before number, after number, and today's topic is between number. So what do you mean by between? First you have to know this. Between means this middle, or you can say in Bengali majkhane, যেটাকে আমরা মাঝখানে বলি বেঙ্গলিতে, that means between. Okay, before means you know আগে, after means পরে, and the between means মাঝখানে. So that is our chapter, today's chapter. So let's start on the board. First I want to see you something. Suppose he is your father and she is mother. Father, mother, and who is she? She is Riya. Okay, she is Riya. So father, he is Riya's father, he is Riya's mother, and where is Riya? Riya is middle of or the between in her parents. So father, mother, and she is Riya. So where is Riya? Riya's place is between in her parents. Now look at this. Can you see the board properly? So see, if you can, then you are seeing this, that father, mother, and Riya is middle or between, in this place is between fathers and mother. Okay, that you can know that the between means middle. Now we are going to discuss with the numbers. And one more thing, if she is Riya, Riya's left side, that means you can say the before, his father is before of she, and his mother is stand after she is Riya. She is standing after Riya. That means before, after, and the between. This place is You can see before, after and between. Now we are discussing with the numbers. Okay, so again I am drawing a scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now I am taking two numbers from here, 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Now the blank is in the middle portion. This blank is now in the middle. 3 and 5. So what is the answer? Answer is 4. That means 4 is between number 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 4 is the between number. Okay? Next. Very good. Those are the given the answers. Very nice. Next. Eight and 10. Again the blank is in the between. So what is the number? What will be the number? 8 and 10. What will be the number in the middle or the between number? Yes, so many students has given the answer. 9. Okay, I am writing in another color. 9. So 9 is the between number of 8 and 10. Next. Suppose I am writing here 5. Okay. And given the blank in the left side, and again I am given the blank in the right side. Okay. So 5 before number, you know this, 4, and 5 after, obviously 6. So who is in the middle? What number or which number in the middle portion? That is 5. That is 5. So here 4 and 6 and 5 is the between number of 4 and 6. Okay. Next we will do another example. Suppose I am writing here 10. Okay. And I have given again the blank in left side, that means before number, and I have given another blank in the right side, that means after number. So what is the answer first? 10 before number is 9 and 10 after, obviously 11. So who is in the middle? Which number is the middle portion? 10. That means 10 is the between number of 9 and 11. Okay, 10 is the between number of 9 and 11. So we will start, or we will do some more examples. 20 blank and 22. So, what is the answer? Come on. Yes, Orgho, very nice. Shugoto is wearing a specs. Very nice to see you. Looking very nice. Next, Nandini, very nice. Shomrik has given correct answer. Shomrik, yes, very good. Trishita also given answer. Shatoki Mondol, Arush and Sushovan also given correct answer. Shugato also. So, our answer is 21. That is correct answer. Those are writing the given the answer is 21, they are correct because 20, 21, 22. So, our middle number or the between number is 21. That is correct answer. Welcome Shugato. Okay, next example is (28) blanks 30. Come on. Yes, Nandini is the first.
29.
Very good, and thank you for giving the answer and the correct answer actually. Very good. Orgo, very nice. Trishita also given correct answer. Ayushman Sinha also given correct answer. Shatoki, Shomrik, yes. So, those are written, those are given the number, answer is 29. They are correct. Very good, because 28, 29, 30. So, our answer is 29. Okay. So, it is our between number. Okay. So, today now we will revise something before number. Let us see who has given the answer. Come on, give the answer. Yes, Nandini, very good. Shomrik, very good. Trishita, very nice. Orgho, very good. Shatoki, very good. Ankita also given correct answer. Shugato, very good. Orijit also, very good. Shushovon, yes. So, our answer is 39. That means before 40 the number is 39. Yes. Now, I will give 3 questions. Let us see who will give the correct answer. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Let us see who will be the first. Give me 3 answers together. Cut the call and show. Number 1 is before number. Number 2, Arijit has given first correct answer. Arijit has given correct answer. Trishita, give the you will give the answer all together 3 questions. Shomrik has given correct answer. Nandini also given correct answer. Is I do it again, but same problem as again. Who? Ayushman. Ayushman, please again you cut your call and please rejoin this class. I hope there is some network issues. Okay, so our answer is, first is the before number, so answer is 48. Those are given the answer 48, they are correct. Yes, 48 before 49. Next number 2 is after number, that means 49 after 50. They are correct, very good. And last question is for between number, that means 49 between the blank and the 51. So the answer is 50. So 2 and 3 answer is 50. Those are given 48, 50, 50 answer, they are correct. JY, who is JY? Zareen, Yasmin. Oh, the father, yes. Then write your name. I know your sister name is Zarini, that's why I am asking you. Jasim Ali, please write your name. What is your name? Jasim Ali, the father, yes. The father. Yes. Okay, now Jasim Ali, how are you? Very nice to see you. What is your face? Thank you. So now let's carry on our chapter. Again, I am giving some questions. Number 1. If you cannot see me, then you cut your call and rejoin this class. Okay, again you rejoin this session or class. I hope that after that your problem will be solved. Okay, bole. Okay, now come on, give the answer. Arush, 48, Ocha, 50. 39, 59. Nandini, your last answer is not correct. Number 3 answer is not correct. Recheck your answer. First 1 and 2 is correct, but number 3 is answer is not correct. Okay, Shugato, 39. Yes, Shugato has given correct answer. Next, Ankita, very good. Shattoki, very good. Arijit also given correct answer. No problem, Nandini. Yes, now Nandini has given correct answer and Orgo also given correct answer. Trishita also. Yes, so those are given the answer. Please check this. Number 1, 40 before number is 39. 38 before number is again 39. And the last number is 48 after number is 49. Okay. So, first one is before, second number is between, and the last number, number 3 answer is the after number. Now, let's do another example or another topic. We will revise something. Number 1, which is true. In a number, I have draw here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls, and in the B section, I have draw some trees. So, balls, number A option is balls are more than trees, or number B, trees are more than balls. Which one is correct? Okay, Nandini has given correct answer. Shomrik also. Shattoki, Orgo. Yes, those are given. The answer is number A. They are correct because here is the ball is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls are here, and in B column 1, 2, 3 trees are here. So, the options are balls are more than trees or trees are more than balls. Obviously, balls are in more than trees because balls are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls are here, but only 3 trees are here. That means balls are more than trees. So, it is our today's class, and today's class we have discussed so many things, before number, after number, and today we have learned that between numbers, and we have practiced some previous chapters also. That means small types of optional questions or multiple types of questions. So, I hope you will practice at your home and practice at your home. Okay. So, next day we will meet again. Goodbye. Tada.